Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about mute yourself using Zoom keyboard shortcuts. Zoom keyboard shortcuts. There are several helpful Zoom keyboard. There are several helpful Zoom keyboard shortcuts on both Mac and PC. On both Mac and PC. To mute yourself on Windows 10. To mute yourself on Windows 10. On Windows 10, press Alt plus A. To mute audio on a Mac. Mute audio on a Mac. Press Shift plus Command plus A. There are plenty of other useful shortcuts. There are plenty of other useful shortcuts and tips to use in Zoom and tips to use in Zoom, including shortcuts that mute participants, including shortcuts that mute participants rather than clicking mute all or unmute, rather than clicking mute all or unmute all in the participants window. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.